Boxwood Shrubs, a compact, lovely year-round greenery for your garden. If you're looking for an evergreen shrub that's versatile and easy to care for, look no further than the boxwood. With its dense foliage and ability to form into various shapes, the boxwood is a popular choice for hedges, topiaries, and formal gardens. Here is everything you should know about planting and caring for boxwood shrubs. Planting boxwood shrubs. Boxwoods are hardy in USDA zones 5 through 9. Some varieties can be grown in zone 4 with protection from harsh winter winds. Before planting boxwood shrubs, check your USDA zone to ensure they will thrive in your area. Boxwoods prefer partial shade to full sun. In hot climates, they may benefit from afternoon shade to prevent scorching. When planting boxwood shrubs, choose a location that receives the right amount of sunlight for your chosen variety. Boxwoods prefer well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. When planting, dig a hole slightly wider than the root ball and just as deep. Add compost or woody organic matter to the soil, then place the shrub in the hole and backfill it with soil, gently filling and patting it down as you go. Water thoroughly after planting. When to plant boxwood shrubs. The best time to plant boxwood shrubs is in the fall or early spring when the soil is moist and temperatures are mild. These timeframes will give the plants time to establish roots before the heat of summer or the cold of winter sets in. Caring for boxwood shrubs. Boxwoods need regular watering, especially during their first year of growth. They prefer soil that is consistently moist but not soggy. Mulching around the base of your shrubs can help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Boxwoods also benefit from an annual fertilizer application in early spring, just before its new growth emerges. Pruning boxwood shrubs. Boxwoods are slow-growing plants and require a good trimming once or twice a year to maintain their shape. Prune these evergreens in early spring before new growth begins or in late summer after new growth has hardened off. When pruning, use sharp, clean shears and cut just above a leaf or bud. Boxwood shrubs are an excellent choice for any garden, thanks to their versatility, hardiness, and ease of care. By following the tips above, you can confidently plant and care for your boxwood shrubs, ensuring that they will thrive and add beauty to your landscape